पेडागॉजी में स्ट्रक्चर्ड MCQs के साथ एक और वीडियो लेकर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है। तो स्टार्ट लेते हैं। In making progress from the one moment to the another during the lesson set, an event takes place. This set of the event is now known as the sequence of the learning. The teacher use assessment to develop and support the student meta-cognitive skill. This is named as the assessment for learning. Inquiry-based learning starts by the problem series rather than the simply presenting establishing the fact. The process is often assisted by the facilitator who poses the question. A successful teaching strategy in which the small terms, each with the students of the different level of the abilities and variety of the learning activities, is improve and understand of the subject learning, thus the creating an atmosphere of the achievement is the cooperative learning technique. The terminology of the tech peer share is the linked with the active learning. Disadvantages of the group work are the unequal participation. The school of the thoughts consider the purpose of the learning as the full participant is communities of the practice and utilization of the resource, social and situational. The method used on the principle of the learning by doing with or without speed and accuracy is mathematical cannot be possible. Its name is the drill method. Grouping activity and technique that are designed to generate a large number of the ideas for the solution of the problem is brainstorming. Evaluation during the course of the curricular planning is formative evaluation. Evaluation during the course of the curricular planning is formative evaluation. Relationship of the content of the subject to different class in the school curriculum is called vertical organization. The preparation, the proper action verb to formulate a solo for the level of application in the cognitive domain of the Bloom taxonomy is construct. The concept structure of the observed learning outcome as a low taxonomy was proposed by Biggs. In the response of the Q, all students answer verbally at the same time. Such a sort of the formative assessment is called choral. Which type of the assessment used the tools like upon the ended question, written composition and the presentation, project, experiment, etc. is alternative assessment. Which of the foundation of the curriculum address the question like the purpose, school, important subject to be taught, the kind of the learning student and how they can acquire them is philosophic. Authorization technique focus on the teacher center kinesthetic learning style prepared to the student carrying out physical activities. Next question is education is the process of bringing desirable change in the behavior. Discovery process intuitive thinking, evaluation of the process, during the instruction is formative evaluation. Teacher draw mental material. Different source is electrical electric willingness to take part in the teacher's demonstration is responding. Pragmatism in the education philosophy is also named as a expertnalism. The school leadership will take care of the lower level of the needs is formed as a transactional leadership. Heading fixed for non-salary budget is learning material structuring finance rules for the accountability of provincial governments or district government. Allocating the funds of the school under non-salary budget formula is the PERSP. Psychosis is a sign of the underlying mental illness and the temporary loss of the contact with the reality. The act of the building with the cruel spoken words involve along ongoing name calling, threatening and making disrespectful comments about someone. Attributes name as the verbal bullying. Which one of the following are the source of the making the educational measurement tool used in the educational assessment? When referring to the Bloom taxonomy, remembering refer to recognize and recalling. Kinesthetic learning style refer to the students carrying the physical activities. Accomplished teacher is the one who capture and sustain the interest of the student. The statement describe discipline questioning is to get the truth of the matter is given by Socrates, who advocated of the cognitive theory of the teaching. Benjamin Bloom, which of the following test item is best suited for the measuring performance? Is expression. This is the essay type. The process of the examining student response to individual test item to assess the quality of those items as a whole is known as the item analysis. The principle of the content selection that indicate the concern for the maturity and learning sequence is promoting continuity of the expression. Teacher performs some task and the student observe the feature of the teaching method. This refer to demonstration. Out of the field teaching means teaching the subject which is not a teacher qualification. In order to get final and accurate feedback about the overall impact, teacher should adopt summative assessment. Thank you so much for watching the video.